Growing food is fun, educational, and can make eating fruits and vegetables more affordable. The Eat Right Philly team is here to support the creation and maintenance of educational school gardens to give students the skills and knowledge to grow gardens right. Students retain much more knowledge through experiential learning than through other methods, and outdoor classrooms and educational gardens are a great way to get students engaged in experiential learning. In a school garden, students investigate, explore, and experiment, making interdisciplinary connections while producing real, tangible results that keep students engaged and motivated. Eat Right Philly assists schools in creating, maintaining, and educating with school gardens by providing support, training, and some supplies for school gardens. Whether beginning an indoor classroom planting project or working to develop and cultivate an outdoor garden, your Eat Right Philly team is ready to support the project. Thank you for your support in making your school a healthier community by supporting our work to make gardening part of your school's culture. Please feel free to reach out to your nutrition educator to discuss what we can do in the next school year to teach students to grow gardens right.